Intersection is the set method in Python that returns a new set containing elements common to every set being intersectioned together. Python has a few different ways to perform the set intersection operation. First, you can just use the intersection method. You have these two sets, and then you intersection them together into a third set. Let's see what happens. As you can see from the output, only elements that occur in both sets are in the new set. There's another way to intersect two sets. There's a difference that we won't get into in this video, but practically speaking, this way functions very similar to the first way. All we have to do is change this code from using the intersection method to put in an ampersand between the two sets. If we go check the output now, we will see we have the same set from the previous run of the code. Finally, sets are not limited to only being intersected two at a time in Python. You can pass however many sets you want to intersection, and they will all be intersected together into a new set. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.